What's up? What's up? Happy Monday. It's Monday. So today I am doing a get ready with me and it is almost 2 o'clock. It's 1:47. Every first Monday of the month I don't have school, so I've kind of just been running some errands. I worked out this morning, doing some things around the house, and now I'm finally getting ready for my day. But it's like, what's the point, you know? It's already 1:47 on a Monday, but it's fine. I figured I would show y'all how I do my hair and makeup for school. I've bronzed it up a little bit just because it is summertime and it's getting warmer outside and the weather is absolutely gorgeous. Let's go ahead and get into the video. I went ahead and primed my skin with the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer, and this is very similar to the Smashbox Photo Finish? But I would say that this is actually a dupe for that one. So if you're in the market for a pore refining, a very smoothing primer, but a little bit easier on your wallet, definitely recommend the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. Okay, so now that my skin is prepped, I am using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. And I love this foundation for the summer because it is really lightweight, but it has buildable coverage and it lasts all day. So, I mean, plus. Like, it doesn't feel cakey whenever I wear it throughout the day. But if I want more of a full finish foundation coverage, I can build it up to any coverage that I like. Then next for concealer, my absolute favorite, the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Y'all already know. I mean, everybody talks about it on the internet. Everyone's already obsessed with it. But I haven't tried anything else. I keep coming back to it because I know that I love it. I know that it's okay. I look a little scary. Oh, that's so funny. I kind of got some on my lashes. I'll be right back. Y'all, that's never happened before. I've never gotten concealer on my lashes. I guess I'm just in a hurry and I need to slow down. Okay, now that our concealer is finally all blended out, I am taking the Wet n Wild contour stick, and this is in the shade 805. This is a great contour stick and I have been loving this lately. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, now that our contour is all blended out, I am going to use the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm obsessed with this stuff as well. I know that a lot of people like this setting powder, and for good reason. It does a really great job at setting your makeup. It lasts all day. I don't feel cakey. I feel like it keeps my skin looking really matte and really polished all throughout the day. So it's definitely a favorite of mine. Every time I run out, I always go back to it. I have a really hard time trying anything else just because I know how good this stuff is, that I don't want to be disappointed if I spend money on another powder and I don't like it as much. While I'm baking, that is so funny to me. I'll never get over that term, baking. I am going to do my eyebrows. I will tell you all the products I use for my brows. I've switched it up a little bit and I will do my brows off camera just because they kind of take a while. I am trying out the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. It's in the shade Blonde, And to apply that, I just used the Morphe M432 brush. It is just a flat brush, and I'll show y'all what this brow gel looks like. It comes with an applicator like this. It's kind of spongy, and I just get the product off the applicator with this brush, and then I just shape my brows. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back and I have fuller, thicker brows. What I will say real quick while I'm dusting off my powder about that brow gel, good and bad. Good, it stays all day. It provides really good coverage. It fills in my brows really well. Bad, that is the shade Blonde, and I feel like it just makes my brows so dark. And I think that Blonde is as light as it goes. So if you do have really light eyebrows and you normally don't shade in your brows that dark, that's the only negative about it, I would say. And it does take a while to apply. Like if you just want to use the applicator sponge it comes with, that's totally fine. I have just discovered it's kind of messy. It's really hard to shape with. So those are the only two negatives about the brow gel. I love the staying power that it provides. I love the coverage, but I don't like the shade range, and I don't like the applicator sponge that it comes with. So if you do try out that brow gel, I would recommend getting a separate flat brush to apply it with. Alright, next is blush. This is my favorite shade. I got it from Sephora for my birthday gift. It is the Tarte Amazonian Clay and it is in the shade Party. And then I'm just taking a highlighter and I'm just applying this on the high points of my face. So that's it for my face, and now I'm going to start on my eyes. So for eyes, I am taking my Morphe palette. It is super dirty, but I absolutely love this palette. It is the 25B Bronzed Mocha palette. These are all the shades. So pretty, so stunning. All these shimmer shades are gorgeous. And then you have a ton of matte shades. You can make so many different looks with this palette. I use this a lot on my brides, a lot of my clients. You just can achieve so many different looks with this palette. So going in with these top two shades right here, I'm just going to blend these colors into my crease for my transition shade. And you can pick any shade you want for your transition shade. I just try and do something a little bit lighter and a little bit more natural, but something that's going to go with the overall look that I'm trying to achieve. Going in with a darker shade, I'm going to use this shade right here. Tap off the excess and blend in the outer half of my eye, just bringing it up into the transition shade. Yeah. Alright, and then using my finger, I'm gonna go in with this golden shimmery shade right here. It's super pretty. That's what it looks like. Just really pretty, really summery, super bronzy, almost like sun-kissed. I'm just gonna pack it on the inner half of my eye. Ooh la la, so pretty. And if you end up getting it like all over, kind of like I usually do, and just go back in with that blending brush that we used on the first two colors, and you can add more colors on it, or you can just go in with what is left on the brush and just blend everything together. I love how this is turning out. It's so pretty. I'm just going to keep it simple and finish it off with this light vanilla-y color here. And I'm just going to pack this on my brow bone to lighten up the look. I'm going to use shadow as an eyeliner, and I'm just going to take an angled brush. So I'm just taking one of the darkest shades in this Morphe palette, and I'm just going to create a soft wing liner with shadow. You can take a smaller little tapered blending brush and smudge it if you want it to be a little less crisp. And now I'm going to move on to mascara. I am using my absolute favorite mascara. I think I have talked about this in every single video I've done so far on YouTube. It is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I have said it then and I'll say it again, but it's just a favorite mascara because it volumizes, it thickens your lashes, and it is one of the only mascaras that I have found that if I mess up or if a flake drops off on my face, I can take a Q-tip, smudge it, and it comes right off. It does not smudge on my makeup. It's so easy to remove. It lasts all day. It doesn't flake under my eyes. And I mean, look at the volume it gives. That's crazy. I mean, I'm ready to hit the town, you know what I'm saying? Except I'm not, because it's a Monday. Okay, so for the most part, that is my makeup. Everything has been applied except for lipstick. So I am using the Urban Decay Vice lipstick, and this is in the color Naked. I wore this on my wedding day. I wore this on my bridal shower. I've worn this pretty much every day for the past 6 months. And look how much I still have left. I mean, not that much, but enough to get me by. But it's one of my favorites. If I wear it with a lip liner, it can last me all day. I love the shade. I think it's just a natural, really pretty pink. So that is my makeup. This is how I usually wear my makeup, I almost said my hair, every day for school. I just bronzed it up for the summer months, and I hope y'all like my makeup. If you want to see how I wear my hair every day for school, then keep on watching. I just blow dried my hair straight. Oh, I didn't know my dog was in here, and then he just stretched. Aw, he's so sweet. I love him. And then I have been parting my hair down the center, so I will just kind of leave it wherever it falls. I got this Paul Mitchell hot off the press flexible style thermal protection hairspray. And A, it smells amazing. B, it makes my hair really silky and really soft, and it's a thermal protectant. So what more could you want from a hair product? Let's see what it says. This quick drying hairspray helps protect fragile strands when thermal styling irons turn up the heat. The flexible hold humidity resistant formula is the perfect finishing touch for any style, curly or straight. I mean, it is the perfect touch. I will just start to curl my hair from mids to not all the way to the ends, just because y'all know I like that beachy look. And I'll hold it for about 10 seconds and I'll pull it out just like that. I'm going to do my whole head, and I will show y'all the product I spray in my hair whenever I'm done to hold my curls all day. Okay, I have curled my whole head. I'm just letting the right side of my head cool down a little bit because that is the side that I just finished. So I am using the Kenra Platinum Dry Texture Spray, and I have just started to use this, I don't know, for weeks maybe. And I really love the smell. And I really love how it holds my curls all throughout the day. So after you spray that into your hair or any dry texturizing spray of choice, then run your fingers through your hair, run a wide tooth comb through your hair, separate those curls, make them really loose, really beachy. Yeah, Bentley's getting out of here. He says, I do not like that smell. It is making me sneeze. And then just play with some pieces. Pull them out, loosen them up a little bit. And that is how I curl my hair every single day for school. I think that's it. I know that this was a long one. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.